Hi, I'm John Turner, and I'm co-chair of the infrastructure group of the Digital Twin Consortium. In using the maturity model, the first question we should be asking ourselves is, how do we start? We also need to know what our destination is. And the maturity model starts to indicate the various stages along that path from getting from where you are to where you want to be. There are 5 steps that we've identified. The dinosaur, which is really using point solutions. Average, where departmental solutions start to get integrated. Leader, in which solutions start to become cross-departmental. Evangelist, where the solutions are starting to extend across the entire organization. And pioneer, where not only organizational solutions are integrated, but also supply chain solutions. And there are 5 focuses on this: the organizational structure, the organizational performance, the digital thread, the integrated business functions, and the catalog and repeat elements. Now, it's very unlikely that when you go into an assessment of digital twin maturity, you're going to be at the same level within all of these 5 different perspectives. Once you've done the assessment, you will then be able to understand exactly what you should be working on, first of all, to bring all of these 5 areas, these 5 threads going through the digital twin maturity to the same level. The second question to ask yourself is, where should you start? The most important elements of these threads which are running through the digital twin maturity model are the organizational structure and the digital thread. Unless you have an organizational structure which is starting to organize to move away from a point solution to an integrated solution within the digital building lifecycle, and you're starting to align the methods of communication, particularly the methods of digital communication, to support this movement, then it's going to be very, very difficult to start to gain meaningful understandings by applying metrics to understand organizational performance, and even start to integrate business functions across all these departments. So my advice is focus on the organizational structure elements, and once those are starting to come into organization, then start to overlay all the elements of the digital thread, both the width and the length of the digital thread, which will enable you to then start to make rapid progress.
Hello, my name is Richard Ferris. I'm the Chief Technology Officer for asBuilt. And for those who don't know, asBuilt are a New Zealand-based technology company that specializes in harnessing the power of spatial intelligence to improve the way we design and build our buildings. So how the maturity model is being developed? Well, one idea is user guides. Say, for example, if I have assessed my organizational performance as average and I want to take the next step and evolve to a leadership status, what is it that I need to do? So we're working diligently to provide some user guides and some guidance to help manage the change and sort of give a little bit of a light to how people can move up the maturity model. Another aspect of using the maturity model is where we apply and develop use cases. So we can assign the use cases to particular stages of maturity. So for instance, if I haven't as an organization used catalogs or repeatable design, I can sort of navigate my way to that maturity, see what use cases are in play, and see how I then can use the technology and or process to make that advancement or that step.
Hello, my name is Salla Eckhardt. I am the Director of Transformation Services for Microsoft and the co-chair for Digital Twin Consortium Infrastructure Working Group. It is my pleasure to talk about digital twins from a real estate owner perspective and discuss what benefits digital twins might bring to the table from 3 different points of view. First, Let's simplify how a digital twin helps an organization get started and track progress. Digital twins are supporting people coordinate, cooperate, and collaborate digitally transformed business processes. Digital twins enable transparent communications, making progress tracking automated. Everyone on the team might be linked to the same sets of data, but the data can be refined into very different sets of information per user needs. Progress tracking is better targeted when knowledge is empowered with evidence. Second, let's ponder what value do digital twins bring to a software development organization. Software is probably one of the fastest changing and developing commodity one can think of. Being able to predict the nuances of the next update or upgrade needs from an end user perspective keep the customers engaged and happy. If a business can traditionally focus on profitable growth or on a better product or service, digital twins might support faster cycle between those two. And let's wrap things up by flavoring what value some of the specific attributes of the digital twin might bring to the real estate owner. For a real estate owner, it is imperative that your tenants are happy and your investment is profitable. It means that the faster you can communicate the social and technical performance of your portfolio for the accurate actions, the better adaptability you have for the predicted real estate phenomena your organization is managing on an everyday basis.